Suite, S-U-I-T-E, sustainable, unique, innovative, timely, and economical. Hello, Ken from Alliance Manufacturing. Behind me you see it's in reverse now, but I like to do my little suite message. And today I want to talk a little bit about sustainability part of that equation in suite. Behind me here is a machine that's a conveyorized belt washer. This machine was put into service back in the mid-1990s, and this machine was used for cleaning stamped pans that went inside your home bread making machines. This machine cleaned literally thousands and thousands of bread pan machines, which I wouldn't doubt if you probably even had some bread out of one of these units. In its second life, this machine was used for cleaning ammunition casings for the military. So that was into the 2000s, mid-2000s. Now we got the machine back, and as you can see, we've refurbished it, we've cleaned it all up, made it look like new, and it's going out to its third home, where it'll be used for cleaning minor components for generating computer parts for making cryptocurrency, which this cryptocurrency was not even in existence when this machine was first built. So we now have our new program. Basically, it's the triple R cubed factory certified. So this machine is reconditioned, retool, reuse. That's a new slogan that we're doing here, and to develop and further build our sustainability initiatives. So that's factory certified, this machine right here. It's going to be back in service for many, many years of great, useful life. Again, sweet message from Ken at Alliance, and thanks for watching.